Hello children, today we are going to see Social Term 3, Unit 3, Child Safety. Let us get into the video session.
Unit 3 Child Safety. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the importance of child line, child safety and difference between safe touch and unsafe touch. Come, let us get into the lesson. What does this child line number mean? Child line number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. It helps children who are in need of help and care. Childline service was first established as a project in the year 1996. Later, between 1998 to 1999, Childline was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Childline number is 1098. One can call on this number and ask for help or inform if they find children who need help and care. Childline helps children who work as laborers, who are abandoned by their parents, who are differently abled and who live in streets. In May 2013, Childline in Ahmedabad rescued around 16 children who were working in various parts of the city. Child labor is an offense in India. Integrated Child Development Services. In short, it represents as ICDS, is a centrally sponsored scheme of Government of India for early childhood care and development. The National Child Labour Project have been set up to rehabilitate child labour. The children identified by the NCLP are to be withdrawn from the dangerous occupations and put into special schools. We have helplines and laws to support and protect children. But it is very important to teach children of how to be safe and aware of what's happening around them. Next, we are going to see about safe touch and unsafe touch. Hugs from family or high five with your friends are all safe touch. Now, let us see about unsafe touch. When someone touches your chest, between your legs or lips, or asks you to touch theirs are said to be unsafe touch. But if you are not well and go for a checkup to a doctor, then he may touch these parts while they are doing a checkup in front of your parents in the same room. If someone touches you unsafely, they might scare you to keep it as a secret. They might get you gift that you don't tell anyone. But remember children, you must always inform to your parents or your teacher about it. If you are ever touched on any of these parts of your body by someone you know or someone in the family, then you must inform to your teacher or another family member. It is a duty of every parents and teachers to talk to children about this. It will help you to save and be happy. The Indian Penal Code 1860 punishes people who involve in child trafficking. There is also the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act that prevents child marriages. The Ministry of Women and Child Development has placed the National Policy on Child Protection. It aims at providing a safe environment for all children. Let us recap the lesson. Childline helps children who are in need of care and protection. Childline was first established as a project in the year 1996. Childline helps children under the age of 18 who work as laborers. Hugs from family or high five with friends are all safe touch. If someone touches chest, between your legs or lips of your body is unsafe touch. Have you understand this lesson? Let us meet in another video section. Thank you.